Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on LENOVO Tab P11 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to manage your Google account. Then go to data and privacy and you have to scroll all the way down. Then click on delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's open for example Google Play Store and click sign in. Then select another 13 and here you have to enter your email address. And then click next and click next again. Now you have to enter your password and then click I agree. Okay, something went wrong, so click next and enter your email address again. Then click next and enter your password again. And then click I agree. And click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.